How to make money with a classified website step-by-step guide. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all our latest tips on making money online. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: how to make money with a classified website. Whether you're looking to start a new business or just want a side hustle, a classified website can be a lucrative venture. So, let's get started. Here's a quick overview of the steps we'll cover in this video. Choosing a niche, setting up your classified website, monetization strategies, promoting your website, maintaining and growing your site. Stay tuned as we break down each step. Step 1. Choosing a niche. The first thing you need to decide is what type of classified website you want to create. Are you focusing on general classifieds, real estate, jobs, automotive, or something else entirely? Picking a specific niche can help you target your audience more effectively and stand out from the competition. Do some market research to identify niches that are in demand but not overly saturated. Look at existing classified websites and see what gaps you can fill. For example, if you notice there's no local classified site for pet services in your area, that could be a golden opportunity. Step 2. Setting up your classified website. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to get your website up and running. There are several ways to do this, from using website builders to hiring a developer. Let's explore a few options. Popular platforms like WordPress offer classified themes and plugins, such as ClassyPress or Classifieds WP. These tools make it easy to build a professional-looking site without needing extensive coding skills. Alternatively, you can use platforms like Joomla or Drupal, which also have classified extensions. Don't forget to choose a reliable hosting provider and register a domain name that's easy to remember and relevant to your niche. Some popular hosting providers include Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator. Step 3. Monetization strategies. This is where the magic happens. There are several ways to make money with your classified website. Let's look at the most effective ones. First, you can charge users for posting ads. This is the most straightforward way to generate revenue. Offer different pricing plans, such as basic listings for free and premium listings for a fee. Premium listings can include features like highlighted ads, more pictures, or a longer display duration. Another option is a subscription model. Users can pay a monthly or yearly fee to access exclusive features or post unlimited ads. This works well in niches like job listings or real estate. Affiliate marketing is another great way to earn money. Partner with companies related to your niche and promote their products or services on your site. You earn a commission for every sale made through your referral links. Don't forget about advertising. You can use Google AdSense to display ads on your site and earn money based on clicks or impressions. Additionally, you can sell ad space directly to businesses in your niche. This can be banners, sponsored posts, or even email newsletters. Step 4. Promoting your website. Once your site is set up and ready to go, you need to drive traffic to it. Here are some effective promotion strategies. Search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial. Make sure your website is optimized for search engines. Use relevant keywords, optimize your meta tags, and create high-quality content that answers users' queries. Social media marketing is another powerful tool. Create profiles on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Share your listings, engage with your audience, and run ads to reach a wider audience. Email marketing can also be highly effective. Collect email addresses through sign-ups and newsletters, and send regular updates about new listings, special offers, or relevant content. Step 5. Maintaining and growing your site. Running a classified website is not a set-it-and-forget adventure. You need to continually maintain and improve your site. Engage with your users. Provide excellent customer support, respond to queries promptly, and keep your site free from spam. Happy users are more likely to return and recommend your site to others. Use analytics to track your performance. Tools like Google Analytics can provide valuable insights into your traffic sources, user behavior, and conversion rates. Use this data to make informed decisions about your marketing strategies and site improvements. Always look for ways to improve. Stay updated with the latest trends in your niche, implement new features based on user feedback, and keep your site design fresh and user-friendly. And there you have it. a step-by-step guide to making money with a classified website. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, if you have any questions or need further advice, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.